Good day everyone. Today I'll explain a Python program called the Interpreter Enrollment System. I'll show you step by step how it works, where it starts, and where it ends.
This program helps us manage interpreters. You can add interpreters, view all interpreters, search for an interpreters by ID, and remove an interpreters and exit the program. First, we define the class interpreters. This is the blueprint of an interpreter. It stores four details, which is the interpreter ID, name, language, year of experience. The display in methods prints all interpreters details in one line. We use this whenever we want to show information about interpreters. Next is enrollment system. This class keeps a list of interpreters that has four methods, which is the add interpreter, view interpreters, search interpreters, and remove interpreters. This class controls how we manage interpreters in the program. First method, we have add interpreter. It asks the user's ID, user's name, enter language, and enter years of experience. Then it creates a new interpreter's object and add it to the list. Finally, it shows a message confirming the interpreter is enrolled, which is this one, interpreter successfully enrolled. The second method, we have view interpreters. View interpreters checks if there are any interpreters in the list. If the list is empty, prints warning. This one, no interpreters enrolled yet. Otherwise, it shows all interpreters by calling display info for one each. Third method, we have search interpreters. It asks for an interpreter ID. It goes through the list and check if interpreters has that ID. If found, it prints interpreter found, and if not, it shows interpreters not found and shows the details. Fourth method, we have remove interpreters. It asks for an interpreter ID. If the interpreter is in the list, it removes them and prints success message, which is this one, interpreter remove successfully. If no interpreter matches, it prints interpreters not found. In main, we create an enrollment system object called system. Then a true while loop runs continuously, showing a menu with 5 choices. Choices 1, add interpreters. Choice 2, view interpreters. Choice 3, search interpreters. And choice 4, remove interpreters. And choose 5, exiting goodbye. If they choose from 1 to 4, the program calls the corresponding method. If they choose 5, it prints the exiting goodbye message and loop and exit the loop. If they type something else, it shows an error and asks again and print the invalid choice, try again. The program starts when the main function runs. It ends when the user chooses the menu option exit. This stops the loops and ends the program.
Now let me show you a short demo. First, I run the program. I choose 1 and enter the interpreter ID 123. Interpreter name is Wella. Language is English. The interpreter years of experience is 3 years. Now it prints the interpreter successfully enrolled. Next, I enter choice 2 to view the interpreter I added, which has an ID 123, name Wella, language English, and years of experience is 3 years. Next choice, I enter 3 to search the interpreter and it asks for an interpreter ID. Search interpreter and view interpreter is somewhat the same. I enter 123 and it shows the interpreter I added earlier. Next choice is to remove interpreter and it asks for interpreter ID. It is 123. After we put the interpreter ID, it prints the interpreter removed successfully. Lastly, the choice 5. When I enter the fifth choice, it prints the exiting goodbye and this breaks the loop. To summarize, the program starts at main, uses two classes, interpreter and enrollment system, and the menu loop controls the flow. The program ends when you choose exit. That's it for the interpreter enrollment system. Thank you for watching and I hope this helped you understand the program step by step.